See the sign?
We're at Dogwood Canyon Nature Park. Bass Pro owns this. And it's going to be fun today. We're at the mill. We're about to go in at Dogwood Canyon. There's a beautiful waterfall. And there's the entranceway over there that we just came in. So Jacob's about to go in. We're with Grandma and Uncle Danny today. We're going to have a lot of fun. It's got pictures of all kinds of mills from the Ozarks. This is a replica of a mill.
Bridge, Missouri.
Where's Edwards Mill? I've heard of it.
There's even a picture of the Ozark Mill. Ozark Water Mills. Jacob, this is a mill.
But nobody's in.
Nobody's here? Yeah, it's just us right now. We're here on a Monday, so there's not that many people. Wow, this is amazing. Part of the cliff. Look, Mom, they have the cliff in with this.
Oh, wow. Look at the cougar up there, Jacob.
Jacob's looking at a waterfall. Look how cool this is. That is so awesome. There's the Mill restaurant. That's the mill we just came out of. Okay, now I guess we're going from the mill part to, it's like a museum in here.
They want you to walk your bike across the covered bridge.
Okay, Grandma. Can you say hi?
Hi.
This is Jacob's grandma. Grandma Short. Grandma, she's
We're having a big adventure.
We're having this big adventure for my birthday this week. And Mom is having fun.
Oh, look at this.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Huh. What's that, Jacob? Ooh. Look at that. That looks like a moose, isn't it? It's a moose skeleton. That's what the inside of a moose looks like. Yep. This place is beautiful. Look at this. Oh, there's the wheel. That's the wheel to the mill. There's the outside restaurant. And then there's, I think it says Indian Point Falls. Is that not awesome? Now we're coming into the restaurant. Oh, we see the Ozark Water Mill. Oh, we'll have to check that out. Oh my goodness, this is the restaurant. It is fabulous. I am excited about this, actually. There's the fireplace.
We're going to have a tourist attraction.
Grandma's very excited.
It's coming soon.
Ozark Water Mill, coming soon.
Oh, man.
Another view of the restaurant here in the new mill, actually at Dogwood Canyons. This is so beautiful. And you can eat outside. There's really awesome historic mill pictures all around here. And there's the Ozark Mill picture right there, the big one. Here's the treehouse. Treehouse.
Hey,
Treehouse Masters, it says. Jacob is really excited about going in the treehouse. Whoa, look at that. That was crazy. Hey, I got that on video.
There's the waterfall.
Yeah.
There's another picture of the Ozark Mill.
Whoa, that's pretty windy. These are blowing away. Jacob, let's go in the treehouse. Okay. We're in the top of the treehouse. Grandma's tired after going up all those stairs. You want to sit in a rocking chair, Jacob?
It's made out of sticks.
No. Is that what you get out from down there or not? He's looking. It looks all different.
I want to see outside.
You want to see outside? Well, the door's locked, so we can't go out there. But there is a telescope out there.
Down here. Why? This is the first time I rode a bike since I was a kid. Ah!
And you're doing a good job. Jacob, are you going to get to ride in that behind me when I'm riding the bike?
Yeah.
Is that exciting? We're going to go on these trails on Dogwood Canyon. There's Grandma and Danny. Grandma hasn't ridden a bike since she's a little kid. She's learning. Look at that. She is doing great. Took a while to learn, but she got it. That's awesome. Now we're at the wooden covered bridge called Long Pine Crossing. Are you enjoying your day here? Yeah, it's so relaxing. Here's the Hope Wilderness Chapel. And there's the bride's room. Oh. You go on the back porch of the chapel and look at the waterfall. I think Jacob's playing the piano. Don't hit it.
It's not working.
It's not. Sounds like it's working.
No, it's not different.
It's not different. Jacob, show us the waterfall. Oh, it's up there? I see. Ooh. But that's not even the best part. Look at that. And right behind us is the chapel. So pretty. Jacob, you're you're looking at a cave there. Is that cool? You hear water in there? Wow.
There's bears.
There's a lot of mud.
You look like a bear.
There's no bears, Grandma.
No, there's little bats in there.
There's little bats, you're right.
There's a real bat. There's a bat.
Hey!
Mine too.
Oh, that bat bites.
That mean old bat. No, not me. Bite the children, not me. I gotta live longer, don't I? Nerd.
Jacob wants to climb the tree.
This is my nerdy sister doing videos. Like her YouTube now, or don't like it. Thanks.
Thanks, Danny. This is the last waterfall at Dogwood Canyon at the very end of the trail, and it's called Glory Hole.
There's nothing to look at right now. Good? You can push it.
Isn't this awesome?
All right, here, let's go back here. We're going to take some of us back here.
Wow, we have a Segway tour coming by. Hey Jacob, we're at Emerald Pool Waterfall now. Oh, careful with that. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I thought the last one was the last waterfall, but we got two more. This one and another one on up. It's quite a long ride on a bicycle to get here, but they say it's well worth it. We made it to Arkansas. Wow. Jacob, you're about to go into Arkansas. It's a different state.
There you go.
Wow. Bye.
All right, you're in Arkansas. Okay, we'll go back to
This is the very last waterfall on the trail. It's called Wishbowl Falls. Wow. Look at those fish in there. Careful for the fish, Jacob. Don't hurt them.
how clean that water is down on the bottom.
Jacob's feeding the fish. Ooh, look what Jacob got. His kids meal had like a lot of chicken strips and fresh fruit and all these fries. And I got this awesome grilled chicken sandwich.
And ketchup.
And Uncle Danny got a burger and fries, and Grandma got
And strawberries.
a turkey sandwich with yellow tomatoes. We thought that was cool. So we're sitting here enjoying our dinner in this awesome mill restaurant here at Dogwood Canyon. And the best part is the really cool waterfall in the background while we're eating. So can you say to the kids, you had fun today?
We had fun today.
You want to say goodbye to them?
Bye.
Bye. Oh, he's so happy. Bye-bye.